This is a sponsored video. I got this portable air conditioner sent to me to make a review video on. All right, let's go ahead and look at this box and see what it says. It says here it's got an energy guide on it. It should cost $87 a year to run it. Okay, it says up here on the top, upright position for 4 hours before assembly. All right, we went ahead and did that, so we can go ahead and open it up and put it together. All right, let's see how it looks in here. All right, we got more packaging. It looks like the whole thing's inside of another box. We got some straps in here. Looks like the whole thing's connected together. All right, looks like there's our vent hose, and it's got another hose back there. We'll go ahead and see what that's for. And then it looks like the manual's in here. And the remote. So all that's right here. Okay, so this is the user manual for our portable air conditioner. All right, looks like it's our connector to the window vent. Looks like there's another connector here, and then there's our power cord. All right, there's that first box up and out of the way. Now we can actually see the unit down here. Let's see here, it looks like there's the window vent cover here. There's our window vent cover. So it's got some pretty hardy cardboard in here to protect it. Kind of keep the box real strong, so they packed it up pretty good. All right, let's go ahead and take it out of here. Feels like it's got some handles right here. All right, we'll take the bag off. Okay, that looks pretty nice. Have the wheels on there. Yeah, it's got the wheels on here. There's the cord there. It's got the test and the reset on it. So it's got a pretty heavy duty plug on here. It's got some directions up here on what to do to get started. Upright, it says again on here, reminder, upright position for 4 hours before assembly. All right, it's got the instructions on here on how to hook up the hose here and how to hook it up to the window. Everything seems here, and then it's got a little screw there to hold the window vent in place once you get it adjusted to the right height. You can either put it in a window that opens side to side, or you can put it in a window that opens up. All right, we'll go ahead and put this together back here. Got to put our vent hose on there. All right, looks like we put our adapter right in there. This looks pretty easy. It just slides in there like that. And then it looks like it's got some screws here to screw the hose in. Okay, here's our hose. Go ahead and open up a little bit here to screw in. Hose seems pretty nice. Nice thick plastic. Hose looks real good. And we'll screw it in. See which way we go here. All right. So it looks like we screw to the left to get it in there. All right, that feels pretty tight. Feels like we're in there real good. Okay, it looks like it comes with this really nice adjuster here for the window. So it comes a little bit of hardware here. We'll go ahead and put that in. Looks like this would go in the track there. And then these screws would probably go in here. So we'll go ahead and set this up here. Okay, so it looks like it's got this really cool little track and the hardware that slides in there. So this is pretty nice. All right, let's go ahead and put it in here. Just go ahead and put it in here like that. And then we'll line this up here. Get that lined up in there. And then we'll put our little washer on here. The nice thing about this is you can adjust it by tightening it really quick or loosening it. So yeah, this is pretty nice. And then you kind of figure out where this is going to go there. You can put this in here, either direction, whatever you think is going to work, I guess, depending where your window opening is. So we'll go ahead and put it in the window. And so we can see we want this configuration here, so it goes like this. So that's the way we want to do that. Okay. Then we can put the screws in here to get a snug fit. There we go. Barely fits on there, but it fits just enough to hold it snug. So yeah, that's pretty nice. Alright, it looks like it rolls pretty good. Go ahead and get this hose up there. Get this hose opened up here all the way. Alright, so I just screwed it on here like this. And once we got it in place here, then we can put it in the window. Alright, go ahead and plug it in. Okay, we'll turn it on. Alright, it looks like it's on cool, and it's on 75. Oh, that feels nice. Yeah, it's nice and cool coming right out of there. We got high, we got low. Looks like we can go down here all the way to 62 degrees. Okay, we got a remote here. We'll go ahead and put the batteries in. It comes with some batteries. Alright, so it looks like it's got a high, a low. Turned it down to low. There's a sleep mode. And then there's a temperature up and down. We're at 75. So yeah, it looks like the temperature works pretty good. We can adjust that however we want there. Alright, there's also a cool, a dehumidify, and a fan. If we turn it to fan, it should turn off the compressor. There we go. Now it went to fan. There's a C and an F. C and F there. For your we're gonna go, it can either be 25 or we can be 76. So you can set it to your Fahrenheit there. Go back to cool. Back on the cool setting. Yeah, it looks like just to adjust these, you just put your hand there to raise them up, and then now we got all the cold air coming up. Or you put your hand here to lower it, depending where you're at. Or put it in the middle. Yeah, this feels pretty good. I'm standing all the way back here, and I feel the cold air here. I'm probably good 10 feet away back here, and I can feel the air. So that puts out a lot of air. That fan works pretty good. Okay, it looks like this hose right here is for draining, and it's got the draining instructions there in the manual. It looks like when you're ready to drain it, you connect that hose to this spot back here. This is make sure your plug's back in there. If it comes with the plug off, it could drip water out of there. And then this is really cool. It's got a water full indicator. So I guess a light will come on when your water's full. So that's pretty nice. All right, so there you have it. There's the Joy Pebble 10,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioning unboxing and setup video. Yeah, so far this thing feels pretty nice. It's got a lot of different settings on here. It's got a nice remote that comes with it, and it looks pretty nice too. So yeah, I'm looking forward to testing this thing out in some different rooms around the house. I'll take it upstairs and see how easy it is to carry up and down the stairs. I'll put it in some different windows and see how it fits, and I'll take it out in the garage and put it out there. That'll be the real test, because it gets pretty hot out in the garage. All right, so far so good.